Today, I am going to show you how Minexa.ai makes it easy to scrape job listings from Dice.com, whether you're new to coding or an expert building data pipelines. Find the page on Dice.com where your data engineer job listings are displayed in a list format. Now, open Minexa by clicking the extension icon right here to start extracting your data. With Minexa open, hit the violet button, "I'm on the right page," so it can instantly detect the job listings to scrape. Minexa has already found the main content area with the job listings and identified the navigation pattern for paging through results. Choose whether you want to scrape just the job listings on the list or go deeper into each job's detail page. The default option is Continue, but select Advanced if you need to submit a form, or click Filters before the job results appear. The highlighted section is your data container. Click Create Scraper and Minexa reads it once, then extracts the same data from all similar pages. Minexa automatically detected every data field, including job titles, companies, locations, and even hidden data embedded in the page. For developers, click the API Request button to get ready to use Python code that integrates directly into any data pipeline. Next, hit the violet button to save your scraper and complete the configuration to prepare for extraction. The navigation button is highlighted automatically by Minexa. You can keep it or change it if your site has different pagination controls. Finally, optionally add a schedule or connect Google Sheets, then create the scraping job to automate your data extraction. The setup is complete. Click Run to start extracting the job listings from Dice.com immediately. Minexa delivers the same columns and values every run, ensuring reliability for workflows that depend on structured job data like titles, companies, locations, and posting dates. This consistency lets you automate confidently without surprises. Click Export to save your extracted job listings as rows and fields, ready for use in spreadsheets or reports. Getting where data used to mean coding scrapers or paying per token, Minexa.ai changes that for everyone, technical or not, with fast, accurate, and easy data extraction.